I'm not gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. No, I'm not gonna jump. Yeah, I'm gonna jump. So we're getting ready to put up Christmas lights. We noticed a little water coming into Luke's room. So I seen our stupid butt roofers really truly fix that where no water would ever come in there. Dumbasses. So yeah. Don't use them hacks. And there's my car. I'm just sitting here waiting for Dawn to give me some caulk. Probably gonna freeze to death. Gonna die up here because she probably don't even know if we have any caulk. So there's fall flowers dying right now. Isn't that lovely? Look at that brown spot in my grass. I'm gonna have to get rid of that pine tree. That one, it's not doing it. That one it is. Maybe I spilt some chemicals when I was fertilizing. I don't know. Don't tell anybody. Alright, here comes Dawn, I hope.